What's up, YouTube? We are here at Elk Creek Dragway with Levi's car nicknamed Eeyore, stock 302 C4 TCI Street Fighter converter, super budget build. We've got the Ill Will SN95, 351 Windsor car, both on motor, and then there's a Turbo 5.3 S10, and we are just having us a good time here, helping record some things, doing some research on a converter. Zach Klontz has got his red coupe here, head cam intake 302, running 695 like a bracket car, and so I just love this track. This track is just amazing. So hope you enjoy this. And yeah, we've got Andrew Rourke's, probably the fastest 6th gen. It's extremely fast. I saw it just went to 675. It's all motor, 6th gen, and just a bunch of cool cars here. Ton of cool cars. Jimmy Reeves Fairlane's got me some sort of way. So we're getting tested up so we can get some of these cars to hit the street, and it's not looking too shabby. They ain't looking too shabby. So
car. Don't look at that. It's a garage car. Don't look at that.
883, first pass ever at the track.
It's pretty good.
You can't beat that. Dude, I was super surprised. What mile an hour to go? 78, 73?
78.
78? Dude, that's good miles an hour. It is running so good. That is
Low
bone
sevens.
stock.
Low 7s with 150.
Easily. It'll go 750 easily. So, bone stock down to the filter. Like, you haven't even put the GT40 intake on. That's crazy.
Did good. I'm happy.
That is.
Granted, Steve guessed 970, so that's the first thing I heard. So I'm super happy.
Dude, you and freaking Beefy were at the 7. Right out to get 783. I think you went 80. Sub 2 seconds, 60 foot. Stop. That's awesome. Sub 191, 60 foot. Stop. That's awesome, dude.
I like racing on it or something. The whole world would see me.
Yep, go ahead.
Wait on me. I love racing.
There you go.
Go wait on me. Go wait.
So you've made 3 passes, right?
3.
How bad is the itch right now?
And bust your tail.
Push your tail.
You've got parts on order in your brain just non-stop.
I mean, that was already, but now I'm actually just buy stuff.
I know.
Anyway.
Now it's going to be worse. It's going to be bad. I know how you were before, and you hadn't driven the car. Okay. So I can imagine how you're going to be after you've made these passes, and you've seen, like, you've actually raced.
Surprised it did as well as it
Dude, 875. I know you've got 373 gears and a converter. But that's it. It's a C4 manual valve body with a bone stock 302 with, like, it's a bone stock 302.
Yep.
I mean, you've got it a little light, but you just took the seats out. That's really it. And the K member. I mean, you have all suspension. You have all good suspension, so you've done it the right way.
Shout out to UPR.
UPR suspension work.
E2R.
So UPR.
PR.
UPR.
No.
Close.
On the Cooper Cobras, the 255/60 Cooper Cobra.
Dude, it hasn't
Doing work. It's working perfect. The way the converter's flashing and everything. It's awesome. Alright, so just realized I didn't do an outro on that video for Elk Creek. It got late and dark, and so lighting's not great. So we're going to do it today. I'm actually on vacation getting a ton of videos knocked out. And yeah, it's that was a great night. Levi won a best of 875 at like 78 miles an hour or something like that, 80 miles an hour. And there's all kinds of little things. I don't even know what these are. What is that? I thought they were bugs, but I think it's a seed pod. Anyways, so Levi did that. Beefy and Ill Will had some technical difficulties, but he ran, I think 783 was his best. Don't have the nitrous hooked up on either. Now we have some on one of them, but it's yeah, it was a great night. A lot of things were accomplished that night. So yep, that's all I wanted to say. Like, comment, subscribe, all those good things. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.